In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Relevance AI. To get started, head over to Relevance AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, the first thing to check is your current plan. This part is important because buying extra credits is only available if you're already on a paid plan, such as Pro or Team. If you're currently on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade before you can purchase any additional credits. After you've confirmed that you're on a paid plan, look toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard. There, you should see the credit and action counter. This is the area that shows your current usage balance, and it's also where you can access the top-up option. Click on that counter and then select Buy Credits. At this point, Relevance AI will ask what kind of top-up you want to purchase. You'll typically see two options here. The first is Actions, which are used when your AI agents perform tasks inside the platform. The second is Vendor Credits, which are used for things like AI model usage and connected tools. Make sure you choose the option that matches the kind of usage you need, so you're topping up the right balance. Next, enter the amount you want to buy. Keep in mind that these top-ups are sold in set increments. Actions are sold in increments of 1,000 actions, while vendor credits are sold in increments of 10,000 credits. So when entering your amounts, make sure it fits those purchase sizes. Once you've selected the amount, click Next to continue. You'll then be taken to the payment section, where you can enter or confirm your credit card details. At the moment, Relevance AI accepts credit cards only for both subscriptions and top-ups, so that's the payment method you'll need to use here. Before finishing, take a moment to review your purchase carefully. This is a good time to double-check that you selected the correct top-up type and quantity. When everything looks right, click Confirm to complete the payment. If the transaction goes through successfully, your additional actions or vendor credits will be added to your account right away, so you can continue working without interruption. And that's it. That's how to buy credits in Relevance AI.